Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Griffin Empress die cutting machine. So let's just get right into it. I purchased this machine on HSN on their free shipping day. So it comes with, and it was $2.29 with free shipping. It comes with the instruction manual, embossing mat, A cutting plate, D metal shim, and a B magnetic shim. So that's A, B, C, and D. We also have an embossing folder and a die. Let's see, is that all? Here's the power cord. And then we'll slide this out of the box. The reason I went ahead and purchased this machine is because my experience with the Mini and the Cricut Cuttlebug is that the plates don't warp. So hopefully I will have that same experience with the Empress. So I'm going to get this plugged up and then we can do a test run of the dies that came included. Okay, let's get started with our demonstration. So here's the instruction manual, and I'm a little familiar with the plates because I have the Empress Mini, but here's die cutting, embossing with a metal die, and then we'll look at embossing with a folder first. So we want to start with our A plate. I'll just kind of set this up here so you can see it. Our A plate, our embossing folder with the material. And we're going to use this so that the grooves are facing upwards. So we're cutting up into our cardstock. Then we will go with the metal shim. And the A plate. Oh, I guess I didn't know. I would have assumed we would use the rubber. But we'll put that in. We'll hit run. So that's nice and smooth. It doesn't shake the table. Fairly quick, but it's very, very quiet. I do like that. And kind of, yeah, pretty fast as well. I use pearlized cardstock from Crafter's Companion. So let's just take a look at the quality of that. So that's pretty good. Actually, very good. It even went through in certain spots. So maybe take out the metal shim and try it without that so that it doesn't go through, but pretty good with the embossing. Pretty deep. I think it did a great job. Very much detail, a lot of detail in that. So next we're going to work with the die that came with it. So I'll flip the page over, and so it says A plate material face side down. So we'll start with our A plate, and then we're going to use this pearlized purple. Doesn't really matter which side because it's the same on both sides. Cutting die, face up. Then we have our magnetic plate. Oh, okay, so it's going from the top down. So I should be reading this from the bottom up. A plate, magnetic plate, cutting die face up, material face down, and then our A plate. Okay, all right. I wonder if that's going to make a difference with the embossing. I might redo that. I don't think it'll make a difference though. Wow, look at that. You can see it's just like popped off automatically. Know that we have our brushes, but no need to use the brush. And it also has some embossing detail in there as well. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use all of these dies and layer this up so that it kind of looks like a 5x7 greeting card. So let's just go for it. So we have our A plate, magnetic plate, our die facing up, cut side up. Then we'll go with this purple, and again, this is the same on both sides, so it doesn't matter. I'm gonna go ahead and alternate the plates. I'll have to see if the instructions say that you need to do that. If anybody has a lot of experience with the Empress, let me know. It hasn't been my experience with the Mini that I've needed to rotate the plates. Oh, lengthwise, right? Looks like they can go in either way. So that would be our second layer. Let's make sure that that's still in the camera. And then we'll do our detail swirl and our text. Grab a 5x7 card here, and we can just layer this up for our video. Butterfly. So the kit came with a die that said birthday, but you know what? I want to try a die from a different company. So I'm just going to try this Elizabeth Craft Designs die that says miss you. So let's just see how this one comes out. It's probably thinner than the Anna Griffin dies. But let's use our same plate combination. And you know what? I think I'll have to go back and watch one of Poet Spice's videos. She uses this machine. I'll have to see how she runs hers through. But the fact that they're printed sideways, the text is printed here, makes me think that it goes there, because that's big. I guess I need to look for that in the instructions. Okay, there you have it. Just a quick card using our new Empress die cutting machine. You know, it's not new to the market, it's just new to me. And again, I wanted to try a new brand of die cutting machine because I wanted to see because I noticed that the plates didn't warp with the Empress Mini. So what we've done today is quickly tested out the embossing folder that comes with it, and it gives great detail, fantastic embossing detail with this. And then we've also made a card using the die set that comes with the kit as well. It comes with, with the machine, it comes with a frame, then the inner, and the embellishments. We did use the Elizabeth Craft Designs sentiment. So my first thought on the Empress die cutting machine is as I expected it to be. It's a great machine. I love that the plates don't warp, and I love throwing them in sideways because that gives them less time to cut. Don't really like having to push the run machine, but you know, you get over it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you can be notified when I do more videos. Thank you, and thanks for joining me. It's just Crafty Chantel.